Before doing this Mi Band 3 versus Mi Band 2 video, I started a poll in Mi Band communities and I got tons of feedback. Questions like, can you switch Mi Band 3 to English? How about the screen sensitivity outside? NFC? Is it accurate? Well, in this video, let's find all that out. First things first, currently the Mi Band 3 only supports Chinese. As for global firmware, what we heard from the official Xiaomi team is that it will be released very soon, probably in 2 to 3 months. But you don't really need to worry about the language issue. We did a pretty detailed video explaining what's inside of Mi Band 3 and the gesture controls. If you haven't watched it yet, please check out. Also, another one of the most asked questions about Mi Band 3 is when the NFC will be available. Well, still no specific timetable for that. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Both the Mi 2 and the Mi 3 have a minimalistic, elegant, and refined look. The black thermoplastic elastomer material featured on both bands give you a really good sense of technology and fashion. However, the Mi Band 3 feels much more rugged and durable. The Mi Band 3 features a 0.78 inches OLED display screen, which is larger than the 0.42 inches on Mi Band 2. We'll get to that later. It feels slightly heavier, but you can hardly notice that when you are wearing it. Another great thing about the Mi Band 3 is it has upgraded the wrist strap style from the normal molding to this occlusion molding. That means the strap has a tighter and solid control of the band and you won't lose it easily. So that's something those active users will truly appreciate. This is what they look like under the direct sunlight. Sorry, the camera barely catches the display of both bands because of the frequency flicker, but you do see the difference with your naked eye. Thanks to the 193 ppi pixel density and upgraded screen resolution, the Mi Band 3 looks better than Mi Band 2 when outside. That was something Mi fans have been long asking for. In terms of gesture controls, on the Mi Band 2, you can only interact with the band through the touch key. Now, on the Mi Band 3, the whole panel is touchable. See how easy it is to control. The larger 0.78-inch AMOLED screen on Mi Band 3 just makes everything more convenient. See, on the Mi Band 2, it only displays an icon and then the data. On the Mi Band 3, you can see everything on just one screen. Check the messages, you can see much more of the text. Now you can see the caller's name. Overall, the screen on Mi Band 3 improves a lot. It becomes larger, easier for touch, and bright for viewing outdoors. As for accuracy, I will just give you a simple test of the footsteps and the heart rate. The Mi Band 3 features 5 ATM waterproof protection. That means you can swim with it, even dive with it in up to 50 meters of water and there will be no problem. As for battery capacity, the Mi Band 3 has upgraded from 70 mAh on generation 2 to 110 mAh. But it doesn't contribute to longer battery life as the Mi Band 3 features a larger and brighter screen. But 20 days is not enough. Here at last, I just list a specific comparison chart from Xiaomi for reference. Comparing to its predecessor, I was really impressed by the Mi Band 3's more rugged design, the larger and brighter AMOLED touchscreen, the waterproof reading, and much more. What's more important, with all those additional features, the price stays almost the same as the Mi Band 2. To purchase this awesome gadget, please check the link in the description. I'm Sammy. See you in next videos.